Hey guys, it is me, the broke beauty guru, the Real Queen Lexa Rose, with another episode of Wrestling with Beauty. This look is actually inspired by, gotta put my rosary away. This look is actually inspired by Johnny Bravo. Yay! One of my favorite cartoons to watch growing up. If you know Johnny Bravo, then you know that he's a bit of a dunce. He's a mama's boy. And he definitely loves the ladies. Whoa, mama. He kind of had like this Elvis kind of vibe to him, which I thought was actually really cool. Especially with the way he kind of carried himself. And, you know, he had like the big pompadour hairdo and stuff, which is very retro of Elvis's time. So I thought it was like a really cool character. He was kind of very archaic and very chauvinistic in a way. But he did have a good heart at times, especially when it came down to his mama. And you could tell that he really did have a heart for at least one woman by the way he always went above and beyond for his mama. And I think that if maybe one day he did actually find himself a girlfriend, he would probably treat her as good as his mama. So, you know, let's not think that because Johnny Bravo seems like, you know, all ladies are just like, you know, pretty objects to him, that he doesn't have respect for them. I think he just had a misunderstood appreciation for women. And I guess he felt that maybe because there was no other woman that could take his mom's place, that he couldn't look at any other woman the same way. But I digress. This is my Johnny Bravo inspired look for one of my favorite cartoons from my childhood. So please keep on watching if you want to see how I got this Johnny Bravo look. Okay, so we're gonna go into our primer, and it's my Benefit Professional, and you only need like a little bit, and it goes a long way. So we're gonna put this on the face, right in the creaks and crevices. Next, we're gonna go in with our Huda Beauty in Cheesecake. I don't know if you can see that. There you go, cheesecake. And we're just gonna put that all over the face. Next, we're gonna grab our beauty blender and we're gonna just start putting the foundation all over. Next, we're gonna conceal, Tarte Shape Tape, Hula Quickie brush. Okay, so now we're gonna use our damn beauty blender, and we're gonna... Okay, so now it's time to set it and forget it. We're gonna go right into our Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and we're gonna start working on the blue. But we're gonna go into this light blue first, and then we're gonna gradually build it up. So we're gonna go right into this blue, and we're gonna just put that right on the crease. Okay, so we're gonna deepen up that blue, and we're gonna go right into these two dark blues. And you're not gonna need too much, just to kind of define the crease. Okay, so now that we've got the blue all put in, we're gonna put the black halo look, and we're just gonna use this small pencil type brush, and we're just gonna kind of use this to start doing the sides. Go right in the inner corner, and then in the outer corner, and then blend, so that you have like a little space in the middle. Okay, so now we're gonna pop in the yellow in the middle, and we're gonna grab our Born This Way concealer, and we're just gonna kind of like give it a base to make the yellow pop more. Okay, so now that we've got the concealer ready to go, we're gonna go right into this light yellow and this darker yellow, and we're just gonna kind of mix them up and pop them in. Okay, so for the inner corners and the under eyes, we're gonna go with yellow, and we're gonna go into this yellow. We're just gonna place it right in the inner corner. Okay, so time for contouring. We're just gonna go right into these and just have at it. All right, time for lashes, mascara, and liner. Okay, so now that we're lined, we are gonna go right into our Natural Beauty Amazonian 12-Hour Blush. I'm gonna just throw that right on there. All right, so last but not least, we're gonna go right into highlighting, and we're gonna hit up Star, which is kind of like a gray highlight, but I think it would work really well with this look, so we're just gonna highlight. Okay, finally for the lips, we're gonna go into our Lorac Alter Ego Lip Gloss in Goddess, and we're gonna just throw this right on the lips. See what I mean? Like, the lighting is really funky in my job, because if it's like a really cloudy day, it looks dark in here. If it's a really sunny day, like the sun is kind of weird. So that I could sit in a certain spot and it's like, yeah, peep that. But yeah. Okay, and this is the completed look. Sorry if I'm like kind of at an awkward angle. It's just that the sun is weird today. It's always weird when I'm in this room in particular. But I just wanted you guys to be able to see at least the highlights that I was able to put on and the eye look. This is my Johnny Bravo inspired makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I love doing these. Of course, I do wrestling inspired ones, but being that where I live, there's no bathroom, and those actually take more time than my cartoon inspired ones. It's gonna kind of be a while before I actually have an excuse to put on makeup on a weekend, because the only time I really do it is for a wrestling show, and it's pretty minimal. It's usually a nude, very western-y look for myself, being that I am a Native American in the ring. So of course they will be coming back. So please don't fret. Please don't think that I gave up on doing wrestling inspired makeup looks. No, it's just on hiatus. But in the meantime, I wanted to be able to do, continue doing some makeup looks, and I figure the cartoon ones are a little bit easier to do, being that they only go by really their color scheme. And some of the wrestling inspired ones, I really have to go above and beyond. I mean, it wouldn't do the wrestlers justice if I didn't go out of my comfort zone for them. I mean, we do go out of our comfort zone for our fans, and for my peers in the ring, I want to be able to go out of my comfort zone for them and honor them by actually really putting on some really good looks, like my Mantequilla look, and I had the butter tears, my Mike Orlando look where I had the circuitry on one eye, my convict look, I did the bars, I did the graphics on his mask, same thing with Raksha, I did the graphics on the lips. So when I do the wrestling inspired ones, those definitely are above and beyond as a respect to those who do go above and beyond in the ring. I'm digressing, but this is my look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please, follow me on Instagram. My stuff is right here, so if you ever want to look for me, Ring Queen Lexa, Broke Beauty Guru, Wrestling with Beauty, and I'm not liking this flabbiness, but it's starting to go away. It's not as bad as it used to be because I've been working out, so as you can tell, getting them gains in the ring, yeah. I mean, I work at a gym, so take advantage, right? Thanks, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Love ya.